Hey, well this time it's the next morning and man, I didn't get a chance to use this sauna last night. I'm going to use this tonight for sure. And I took that same cleaner and I sprayed it with that spray bottle, and I put a little bit extra concentrate in it. I filled it up about yay high and then filled the rest up with water. And I sprayed half of this floor. I'm going to let this sit for 15-20 minutes, maybe more. I might even give it a second dose because that's going to make it soften up to a certain extent. And while I'm waiting, what am I going to do while I'm waiting? Yeah, I'm just going to keep doing some more floor right here. That's what I'm going to do. See how easy these tiles come up? Not all tiles come up this easy, by the way. See, this side has a little edge right there. It's sharper here, but then once I loosen it up, I flip it around that way, or after I get one tile up, I can go right here, and it comes right up. See, I don't have to just sit here and twiddle my thumbs while that floor is getting moist for me to be able to do more over there. Okay, so always work, have a game plan on what you're going to do so you can work effectively. And see, after I do that floor over there for a while, when I get tired down on my knees, I'll come out here. I can then come out here and do this for a little bit as I'm standing up, giving myself a little bit of a break, let's say. Last night when I got done with that floor in the closet, oh, it just kicked my butt. And I thought, I don't know if I can do it tomorrow. I'm tuckered out. But you know, tomorrow, this morning is a different day. I've got a little bit of energy left, and I'm going to keep working on this project. I wish I had some extra workers with me to help me, but I don't. And so I'm just going to keep plugging away. That's all I got for this time. But I'll be back with more videos.